showing you guys how to make really easy paper sticky notes at home. So many of you guys will have lots of paper with you, and you might also have lots of decoration things at your homes, but most of you might not have sticky notes. So sticky notes are really useful while studying, and they also are really easy to make in a home as well. So you might think that's just normal paper, but actually one more special thing about this is that it's really good sticky notes and also stick really well. So for example, I'll just show you guys a demo. So for example, I'm just going to be just taking this A4 sheet, and if you guys are taking notes and if you want to write something really important, you could just take these and write something and stick. So for example, I'm just going to be writing my channel name over here. So I choose Crafty Kids Club. So now I just completed writing it. So now you can easily remove these. So I'm just going to be taking one of the sticky notes and I'm going to be easily removing it like this, and you can stick it. So I'm just going to be, for example, I'm going to be sticking it over here on this page. So as you see, it's nice and strong. So if you also move it like this, it won't come off. So it's also really easy, and you can make it with easy supplies at home as well. And it actually sticks much better than the sticky notes bought outside. And if you guys want, you can even remove it and you can stick it over here back in the stack. So without any further delay, let's get started, and we'll be seeing how to make this really easy homemade sticky notes. So first we're going to be using some color paper. So for this one I took yellow, and for this one I'm taking blue. So I'm just going to be taking light blue, and you can take any color that you like, but make sure that you take a light color so that the sticky notes will turn out well. Because if you take a dark one, then you can't write anything, and you can use like very dark colors. So now we're going to be cutting the sticky notes into a few pieces. So for demonstration, I'm just going to be showing you guys like 2 sticky notes. So that's why I'm going to be taking a small piece of paper like this. So I'm just going to be cutting out a rectangle, and we're going to be folding it in half. So we're going to be cutting it. So if you guys want to make a big stack, you can take like many papers, color papers like this, and cut it, and you can take a lot of stacks like this. So you can think that you can even like take glue and apply it and stick it. But one more purpose of sticky notes is that if you're going to be writing something and you're very importantly studying busily, and if you want to, you can't like waste your time sticking glue and sticking it. So if you have sticky notes right by yourself, you can easily peel it off and stick it on your notebooks. So that's why we're making this idea. So now once we complete this, we're going to be, our sticky notes are almost ready. We just have to complete with decorations. So for that, I'm just going to be taking some normal tape. So if you guys want, you can take like packaging tape if you like. So I'm just going to be applying this tape over here at the top part like this. Now we're going to be turning it to the opposite side, and now we're going to be applying it over here in the same way. So actually this tape is kind of really big in length for the sticky note. So if you guys want, you can even take this and cut it in half. So you just take like a big strand of tape, then you can cut it in half, then you can stick the half page on one side. So for example, if you take this big string, you can cut this in half, and you can stick one top over here and the other half over here. So you can use one tape for like 2 sticky notes. So it can be, it'll also save the tape. So you guys can also try doing that, but I'm just going to be using 2 because it'll be kind of hard to tear it and show it in the video. So now we're going to be repeating the same step on the other sticky note as well. So as I said, it's just a demo. So that's why I'm just doing 2. If you guys want, you can use multiple papers and do it. So if you're going to be using packaging tape, it will also be fine. You just have to cut it into the perfect shape and size that you want. It's not compulsory, you guys have to do with like the square shaped sticky notes as well. You could just like cut out a small circle. You might have seen many circle sticky notes with you as well. So you cut out like a small circle, and at the top you can just apply glue, then you can do it. So now our sticky notes, we apply tape on both sides. So next we're going on to applying the glue over here. So after we complete applying tape, we're going to be applying glue on the top portion over here where we have stuck the tape. So now we're going to be taking the other blue paper that we had with the tape, and we're going to be sticking on it. So you guys might think, why are we applying tape on both the sides? The reason for this is because if you apply on one side, then you can stick it, but for the other side to stick, if you do not apply it, for example, if you do not stick it at the back part of this, you won't be able to tear it out, since the back part will be stuck together. So that's why we're doing this. So our sticky notes are ready. So these are really easy way of making it at home, and also really useful too. You can use it for your studies and many other crafts as well. So we're just going to be testing it one more time. I'll just test it and show it to you guys. So for example, you guys can write anything that you want. I'm just going to be drawing a small cute smiley, and you can write any subject. For example, I'll write like science. So now our sticky notes are ready. So if you guys want to use this, you can decorate your book covers and everything. So I'm just going to be taking the A4 sheet that I had, and I'm going to be taking this, and I'm going to be peeling it and sticking it off. So I'm just going to be gently holding this over here, and I'm going to be tagging it. So as you see, it comes very easily. Then you can stick it over here. So I'm just going to be shaking it. As you see, you can shake it, wobble it, and do anything. It will not fall. If you guys want, I can cut this and show it to you guys for more details. So yeah, I just cut it. So as you see, here's a white paper and a sticky note over here. So it almost looks like the real sticky note. And even if you like shake it like this, it won't fall. So as I said, this is a really easy way of making a sticky note. And one more thing is that you can even take it back. And if you see, there's no scratch on the paper. And you can stick it in the back of this as well. So it's really more efficient if you guys use gum for this. You can use like a glue stick. But since I don't have glue sticks, I'm using Fevicol. So after you guys have done with this, you can take like a small bottom piece. For example, I'm just going to be taking a white piece over here. So we're just going to be, so this piece should not be having any glue on it. So now we're just going to be applying some glue at the top over here. And we're going to be taking the back part of our sticky notes and we're going to be sticking on it. So this is just for like a back base for our sticky notes, because if you take the real sticky notes, then we're going to be wasting the last page because it has tape on it. So you can stick it onto a paper so that it will be nice, and like we'll have a back cover here as well. So now I'll also show you guys how to make a circular one. So I'm just going to be taking this one that we made at the beginning. I showed you guys. So as you see, there's tape over here at the top as well as at the back. So I'm just going to be cutting it. So if you guys want, you can use like a knife or like a cutter, cut it, because since we're using we're going to cut it on top of tape, it will be kind of hard. So we're just going to cut it like normal circle over here and at this top over here as well. As you see, our circular sticky note is also ready, and it has the same tape over here. So as you see, it has a little tape over here since we cut it as a circle. And over here also turn this, and I'll stick it to you at the back. So as you see, it's also sticking really well on this piece of paper as well. So the glue can last for a long time since we are applying it on top of tape. So if you guys do not if you're not making it in a square shape, you can just directly cut a square piece or circular piece of paper like this. Then you could stick tape over here, a little bit over here. So this will be actually more efficient, and it will be a safer way and easier way to than the circular than the square one, because over here if you use a circle, the edge will be really small, so it's enough if you use a small amount of tape. But if we're going to be using like a square, then you have to apply tape all over the top. So tape care, if you don't have that much tape, you guys can even use this. So one more method without using tape is that if you guys have like Camlin glue, it'll be like a bottle with a blue one, you guys can even apply Camlin glue a little bit over here at the top and stick normal pieces of paper, because that does not stick really well and also have like a tape-ish structure. So if you use that, then you don't have to apply tape as well if you do not have tape at your home. So after we complete this, our really easy paper sticky notes are ready. So this will be a really easy study tip also. So while studying, guys can use sticky notes, and if you have any questions or doubts, you can write it. And if you have any important points to remember, you can write it and stick it on your walls. It will also not cause any damage, because after some time the glue will dry up, and whenever you tear it off, it will come easily. So after you complete this, our sticky notes are ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So if you guys have any doubts on my videos or any suggestions about what to post on my channel, don't forget to comment in the comment box below. I'll see your comments and respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!